Thank you so much for checking out A Dealer in Whimsy, my new channel. Rest assured, in the coming months, our volume, quantity, and content will improve, hopefully. But we've got to start somewhere, right? Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite subjects, well, two, typewriters, postcards, and whiskey. Before we get to it, I recognize the absurdity of wearing a hat inside, but I just got them. I really enjoy them, and unfortunately, I haven't got any place to go to wear them, so I decided to wear it today. Let's get started. So, as I was saying, I like typewriters. I actually have over 100 in my collection. This particular model is a Torpedo 17, manufactured in 1934. I believe only 4,500 were actually made, and one of its most unique features, of course, are these yellow keys. I believe Remington required a majority share of the company in the mid-30s. Oh, there's my second favorite thing, and actually, depending on my day, might be my first favorite thing. But one of the things I like to do with typewriters is grab one, grab some postcards, like so, steal something whimsical off of Google, and send it to my friends. Now that I think about it, when I say that out loud, it sounds kind of demented and sad, but this is what we do. Anyway, if you'd like more information about typewriters, a great resource is the Typewriter database. Just go to Google, type in Typewriter database, and have at it. You'll find more models, pictures, and serial numbers than you can possibly imagine. Anyway, I'm going to get started on typing up some postcards. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please like it and please subscribe. I understand that goes a long way to helping me out, and we'll do this again really, really soon. Just remember, in this world, you can be anything you want, so be kind, be humble, and be forgiving. Thanks so much. Bye.